The Impact of 3D Printing by Katelyn Nichols. From the dawn of time, man has continued to search for more efficient ways to print. This includes the introduction of the 3D printer in the early 1980s. Now, think about this. Although we've had this technology for around 30 years, it wasn't available to the average person due to the cost. The first printers were priced upwards of $20,000. Today, a person can purchase a 3D printer for as little as $300 and from common sites such as Amazon or directly from a vendor site. This type of printing differs from your average standard printer in that it prints objects using a three-dimensional format versus a two-dimensional one. Using a professional project design such as AutoCAD, you are able to create your own designs. Or you can have the option to purchase product templates that have been pre-designed by a manufacturer. On our computer screen it shows a two-dimensional spec, but once it's sent to the printer it becomes a three-dimensional project. Once the data has been sent to the printer, a layering process begins. New layers are infused onto old layers in an additive process. The end result is a three-dimensional product. If you think it, you can create it and print it. Today there is free software available for download on various sites similar to programs such as AutoCAD. They may not have all the bells and whistles, but it will certainly get the job done. Here are a few examples of items created by 3D printing. We can now create shoes, jewelry, phone cases, and even spinal implants with this technology. One of the most important applications of 3D printing has been within the medical industry. 3D printing has allowed advancement in prosthetic engineering, which in turn has and continues to benefit many. The creation of airway stents has drastically changed the lives of 3 infants who were diagnosed with tracheobronchomalacia, a condition which causes the windpipe to periodically collapse and make breathing impossible. This condition was considered terminal and incurable before, as the babies were given a slim chance of survival. This treatment was groundbreaking in that the 3D devices held the airway open, which ultimately restored breathing and saved the child's life. Researchers are still working towards an ultimate goal of producing whole, fully functional human organs that are able to be transplanted into patients. 3D printing has been found to offer additional healthcare advantages known as bioprinting. There are 5 bioprinting body parts where no donor is needed. They are blood vessels, heart valve, skin, liver cells, and a bionic ear. 3D printers started small, but now companies are printing entire homes, such as this mansion built in China, which was created in only 45 days. It should be noted that this home has been built to withstand an 8.0 earthquake. Using a gigantic 3D printer, engineers in Shanghai have created this 5-story residential house.
The first 3D printed house in the world has been completed and unveiled in China. Unlike previous 3D printed structures, reports stated this entire home was printed in one go, without being spliced together from a number of different pieces. Experts at Beijing firm Huashang Tengdu oversaw the impressive project, which took course non-stop over a period of just 45 days in the city's Tungs district. The result is the beautiful 400 square meter home, which is a sturdy 2-story villa with walls as thick as 2.5 meters. Each floor also has a height of 3 meters, reports said. The printing was completed by the Beijing-based company, whose specialists oversaw the process, but didn't need to do much physical work from start to finish. Giant printers used special reinforced concrete to build the house, which is now open for public viewing. China has unveiled similar feats in the past, with multi-story houses being printed and then pieced together. Architects involved hope it may soon become the norm for entire homes to be built from scratch by computers that control 3D printers.
"3D printing became a reality for NASA in the fall of 2014. Having the ability to print parts and tools on demand greatly reduces the time it takes to get the part to orbit. It also increases the reliability and safety of the space mission while keeping the costs down." Now on to engine parts. Perhaps the part is no longer being manufactured, or you are not able to get the right fit for your classic vehicle. 3D printing allows you to custom design the exact part needed for your vehicle. With the advancements of this technology also came the first printed gun in 2012. Subsequently, Homeland Security proposed a ban of printed 3D weapons, yet they realized soon that this would be a long road. The laws simply haven't caught up with the ever-changing technology. Similar to when the first computer was introduced, this technology brings new opportunities to many. We no longer need to consider mass production for only one item. We are headed towards a new era where we will be able to create our own replacement parts. Essentially, 3D printing has proven to be useful in today's world, but we must also keep in mind the potential drawbacks.
Hello from New Matter. We're helping you make great things by creating a simple and affordable end-to-end 3D printing experience. Here's how the New Matter ecosystem works. Our 3D printer, the Mod T, has been developed to work seamlessly with the New Matter store, our online marketplace for 3D designs. If you purchase your Mod T, just log on to the New Matter store and browse our curated catalog of printable designs. Find a free design, purchase one, or print your own STL or OBJ files. You can preview your designs using our integrated 3D viewer in the store. Then click Print, and your design will be sent directly to the Mod T via its built-in Wi-Fi connection. Push the button on the Mod T, and that's it. Once it's finished, you can enjoy your new 3D printed design and also share it with the New Matter community. So check out the Mod T and New Matter store today. Making great things has never been easier. Visit newmatter.com to learn more.